Here are the contents of a true close hinge set. It of course includes your instruction sheets, 2 hinges, 2 screw packs, and the covers to hide the screw heads. We're ready to install the hinges onto the gate. Now, always install the hinges onto the gate first, and you want these to spread as far as possible. So I'm going to spread mine. I'm going to have the top of my hinge even with the bottom of the top rail. The screws are self-tappers. So your next step is going to be to line up your gate, make sure it is level, and you're going to want to line up the post cap to post cap, the side post, and then the structural post that the gate is going to be attached to. Now we're ready to attach the true close hinge to our structural post. We are now looking at the inside of the gate with the gate open, and there's 2 screws, 2 screws, 2 screws, 2 screws that need to be attached here. Now, in many instances, this would be better if it would be tapped beforehand, pre-drilled, but these screws do have the capability of going through our posts. Just takes a little more time. We're ready to put the final pieces of trim in place, so the screw heads are covered. You can see I have 3 of them in place already, and this is simply a snap fit. You may need a little bit of a tap with a rubber mallet to get that in place. Then the other thing I want to advise is make sure you have enough clearance to get your flare in place underneath of your gate side, so you have a functioning gate that is not scraping against the flare. Now we are ready to do the tension on the gate, adjust the gate closure capability, and as you can see right now, there's little to no action. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to force this downward, and you're going to turn it counterclockwise, both of them. Try to keep it equal, and as we open the gate, we now have closure. Obviously, we don't have the gate hardware on yet, but there's various different settings on this true close hinge for the gate hardware closure speed. Thank you for watching this true close gate hardware installation video. Have a wonderful day.